3, 2, 1, go!
Hi guys, welcome to the Random Burrito where we talk about books, food, gaming, pop culture, and sometimes toy unboxing with our special guest,
Niko, on the James Niko channel. The only guest.
Yes. So today we'll be unboxing Happy Spring Festival.
Pop Mart Happy Spring Festival.
Yes. So nabot na siya and we're gonna unbox them. So let's go ahead and
I'll do the honors.
go.
I mean, si Niko atong guest, but I'll do the honors. Okay, I'll
So
go.
okay, go.
Okay.
Sige, go. Let's see.
Paspas.
Go.
So I already picked 3. We'll see if the luck is. No, what's with that?
Go ahead.
What's with the knowing smile?
I'm just smiling.
Naraban siya power guys, so I hope.
Wait, kamura dyan naging una na. I never claimed
Wala ka ako.
touch.
Oh,
Supernatural.
that's nice. Ang contrast sa black niya, sa colorful sa hair.
So can someone check
So
the
who that?
name?
Who that?
Sa box.
Uh,
That is this one.
Family reunion. Also, what if the
Isn't that
what's missing?
no?
Yeah. Charot.
No.
Kind of.
No, what if ang imong makuha diri kay the thing that's coming towards you this year?
Oh, pwede.
Pwede.
Not ko
Ano
ano.
siya?
What is this
Ice
one?
cream.
Not sure stare.
Accessories.
I don't think this is an
That's a
accessory.
hair. That's a hair. Accessory siya. Mo siya ang
Fascinator.
button your hair.
Oh,
Timely gapon.
fascinator.
Fascinator. Timely
Timely
gapon.
gapon.
Okay, go.
Mo siya black
next.
ice cream.
Oh.
That.
Ay, kuhan siya like anong, di ba na black
Ano?
bean na mga dessert
Ano
thingy?
siya na? Or bali
Na siya sa Liu.
So you.
There.
Oh, okay. Kapat, di siya ice cream. Yan, yun na.
Okay. So
The
national
ear looks
accent,
like a
whatever.
phone.
Okay.
Next.
Next.
Wonderful. Alright. Let's see what Niko will get.
Ay,
Ay.
Okay. Katong gwapa.
Yeah.
Red. Yeah.
Oh, Great
Sa-
Fortune.
Wow.
Coming towards you this year.
Yes. Let's claim.
Yeah.
Bala ko naman siya.
Great fortune.
It's nice.
Okay. Your turn. Your turn. To your turners.
My turn. Or my girl. Yeah.
I think she likes it.
Oh, yes.
Nice.
Saan
So
siya?
cute.
Booming life.
Oh,
Oh.
booming life.
Booming love life.
It's coming towards you.
Yes.
Like a train.
Asa at your
Nice. Happy ka?
cute kasi na siya kanang kanang
Ganan ko sa
translucent.
iyang lantern.
Yeah. Translucent sa diyang lantern.
We have a thing for translucent
Yeah.
parts, no? So toys.
Pop Mart does it really well.
Yeah. I think
Can we see the card?
one reason why happy kami because sa Funko Pop stage, very rarely
Yeah.
translucent.
And if naman, you're
Yeah,
for
yeah.
the executor.
So
you
what's
like what's
coming?
Okay, looking at the label.
Splendid Prospect.
Amazing. Is this one? This is.
Splendid.
I don't think it's one of
Prospects.
my 3. Very good.
I don't think so.
But I like it. It's nice. What's the name? Super Dragon. What's this? It's something.
Oh,
Comment below kung saan siya, guys, because I'm not familiar with this. But she looks really nice. Looks like she's attracting a lot of luck with the color.
Yeah.
Next, we have very heavy.
Is
Ala,
it
pagwapa.
one of my one? Oh wow.
Lingaw kayo yung headdress.
You mentioned this, pero wala kay
Saan na?
Yeah, it's
abundant
not-
harvest. Oh,
Puro gid mga. Unsa?
Akong reading mo about what will you harvest.
Unsa gid sa harvest?
Abundance. Financial abundance.
Nindot siya so far, no? Like,
Yeah.
I like it.
Still may quality good.
So what's coming to you aside from a booming love life?
Booming life ay kinakapos lang. Booming life.
Very good na ito.
I think na-point out kini mo ganina.
Oh!
Ah,
Wala ko. Oh my god.
I know. I told you lotus and fish.
Lotus and fish.
Kato. Ay, di mo may point out. Pero ning
Di daw naman point out.
Eh?
Yeah, hadn't be point out.
No, imong gi
Can I see?
ganahan.
I like it so much.
I think mo din na.
Can you guys, you have
I
to,
like it sad.
you have to look
Hello, yung likod
because
sad o.
if you're just gonna look at
Fish,
the
lotus.
glam pic, di mo ma-appreciate. But
Yeah.
look at the
Pearlescent
headdress.
detail.
Yeah, very nice. Na, mermaid tail. Amazing.
Because Lotus
Wow.
is rebirth, ang kanang fish kaya abundance.
Amazing. Nice.
Totoo kong faith.
Malipay ko nila because I'm a big Chinese tradition fan. Like Bisan ka
You are into traditional.
It's very superstitious.
Yeah. When I was younger kay, napoy mga kanang duha ka dagko ng mga murag dogs.
Food dog.
Food dogs. And then mga
Kanang-
emperor, kanang gadalag mga spears. I have those things.
Okay. So what's coming towards you?
I see blue.
5 blessings.
Oh, I like this.
Only 5, not
5
6.
lang.
Or 10.
Too much
How cute
na.
kayo
I like it. I don't know what she's holding or
Sino na
what
siyang
it
likod?
says, but I like the bow at the back. Amazing. And actually, kanang murag sa buhok niya na another bunny.
I like na siya kanang
Ay,
traditional
naman.
hair, kanang headpiece.
Okay. I like the ribbon. Like it's really well made. It's very simple, but it's so well made na outstanding din siya. So na siya tassel.
True.
Okay, go.
Go.
Okay, next one.
What's coming towards you? Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Oh, kita na to.
Best
Ay, kagwapa.
wishes.
Nice.
Cute
What is
kay
she holding?
Show din.
Meron siyang
Show it to them.
lantern na kanang
Opposite siya. Ganun
Nice.
ka coloring.
It's very familiar. I mean, it's quite similar sa isa ninyo ka bunny.
The winter.
katong
Yeah.
na ay katong candy.
Yellow yung candy house.
Yeah, Candy House.
Candy House.
Not to be confused with
Candy
Muse.
Kind of
Alright.
Alright. Lingaw nila.
Auspicious tidings.
Ang tiki kong
Best wishes though. So yeah, what's not?
Yours is... Moni yung gingon may wapahan
It's a
ka.
safe letter.
Oh,
Yeah.
Nice. Wow. Nice. Wow.
Nagkapoy nagkapanin niya.
Wow, wow, wow.
Pretty kaayo. Marsha kanang usa ni na A-line na dress.
Look at
The
the
pearls.
Cute ko yung buhok.
Ayun.
Like pigtails niya. It's not so swords. Yung pearlescent niya. I like the pearlescent.
Kaning yellow and pink ba?
Yeah.
Amazing. What's that?
Safe letter.
Safe letter. What does it mean?
We'll research later.
Or if you know, guys, as usual, comment below. Say meaning in that because we're not familiar. Our resident trivia guy, Norman, is
I'm stumped.
stumped.
I was rooting for you.
Help.
I need your help.
Go like
This is our last round na.
I guess. I like it.
Oh, napag-chase.
Okay, go.
Gusto yung energy. Chase.
Happy naman ko nga akong gusto.
Ay, kato yung gwapa nga blue.
No.
Yeah,
Dang,
blue na so
wow.
Kasi na blue, red, and yellow.
There's no
I can
blue.
see it.
Actually, that's kind of blue.
Alam.
Sa mga nakita sa
I like
Ba't
it.
tayo?
What's your name?
Let's see.
Let's see. That is...
Fabulous treasure.
Perfect. Ako na.
Fabulous.
But sadly kayo, kumanay na.
And wag ako chase. Kapilan itong itong box gift eh.
2 million.
2 million.
Naka 2 million na siya. Oh.
What's that?
You will like it.
Surely.
Nice.
Inexhaustible riches.
Da,
Puro gina ko mga kuha
Kwarta-kwarta mo ha.
Pilgi ang fabulous sa to.
Fabulous treasure.
treasures. Na siya bunny or hair or whatever sa
Or siya
likod.
Nicki Minaj itong sa Chanli na video.
Yours.
I haven't seen that. Pero yeah, Chanli akong
And-
Chanli realness.
My last.
It's the chase.
I think that's too much to hope for given our...
Kit gun chase. Nag-ano siya yung Chinese dragon. Yung Chinese dragon dance.
Oo. And oh look how cute.
Nice one.
Mga girly emo.
Oh, nice. I like
This
the
is
orbs.
no illness.
That's a very nice
That's
blessing.
No illness but sickening.
Yeah.
Magalar.
Smart din siya eh.
Witty.
Sweetie.
Alright, so
Alright,
let's
so
take our top 3 nga pinakaganahan nato sa line.
I am not trading anything.
I like it.
Uy, pretty kayo sila. Nice sila pagka-pink.
Okay, I think we're gonna wrap up.
Yeah.
Before mahulot na itong pan. Alright, so guys, that's a very interesting set.
Yeah.
So really nice. Are you happy?
I am so.
Are you happy?
Not so.
I'm quite happy with what I got. So you really need to check, guys. So money ang reason why unboxing videos exist because you really cannot judge the item that you're planning to buy unless na unbox it sila. So alright.
Yeah, so actually, this is a very nerdy insert. Pero, kanang, di ba, knowledge is power. So, we serve as, kanang, we provide the knowledge people need to make informed decisions.
I like that. Informed
Diba?
decisions.
Yeah.
So, you're welcome. And I think that's a wrap. So,
Thank you so much for tuning in, guys.
And thank
for
you so
staying.
much, Niko, for gracing us with your presence
My pleasure.
at the
Always.
Burrito House. So, I guess that's a wrap. Ciao.
That's a wrap. Ciao. Bye.